shrimp fried rice, but on a whole new level. Quick, flavorful, and way better than takeout. Let me show you how it's done. Let's go. Starting off with my washed and clean shrimps. As a Jamaican, I'm gonna add Scotch bonnet powder, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, set to the side. Chopped 1 onion, garlic, scallion or green onion, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame seed oil. I love this flavor. Sugar. Now combine. We're gonna scramble 2 eggs. I turn Asian overnight, you know what I say? I turn Asian overnight. Oil. Onion, garlic, scallion, ginger, add your vegetable, now add the rice. Add back the shrimp. Add the sauce. So you want to ensure that all the rice is coated in the sauce. Who needs to go hibachi when you got hibachi at home? And just like that, we're done. Let's go plate this up. Add some green onions. If your fried rice don't brown like this, me don't want it. Me don't want a yellow fried rice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Alright, I gotta add a look on my yum sauce. Tastes good, don't it? Alright, let's try it. I'm here alone on my garden restaurant then for buy Chinese food. It not tastes like Chinese food. It just, if you get what I mean, I say it not tastes like Chinese food, but it not tastes like Chinese food. Me I wonder if some China we can't cook, but show them a Chinese, then just tell us I eat that. Cause I can't me one. And then they get this yellow rice. Rice, me never know if Chinese rice yellow. Me know if it brown. It brown. so good. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite Chinese dish. What's your favorite Chinese dish and what you'd like me to make in my next video. All the ingredients will be in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.